Imagine waking up to find glowing waves crashing on your beach or seeing fire rain fall from the sky, only to have it vanish without a trace. Earth is full of mysteries, but some of the strangest are the ones that appeared once and never came back. These aren't myths or legends. They're real documented phenomena that scientists still struggle to explain. Today on Fact Frenzy, we're diving into 10 bizarre natural events that shocked the world and then disappeared forever. Wow, hon. The bird rain of Jatinga. In the small village of Jatinga, India, birds mysteriously fall from the sky every year, only during specific months and only in the evening. The birds appear disoriented, crashing into buildings and trees. Locals once believed it was a curse or supernatural event. Scientists now think fog and lights confuse the birds during migration, but no one knows why it happens only in Jatinga and only at night. It's eerie, unexplained, and still happening, but only briefly before vanishing. 2. Fire rain in Sicily. In 2004, the small Italian village of Caneto di Caronia was hit by spontaneous fires. TVs, beds, even washing machines would burst into flames without warning. At first, locals blamed faulty wiring, but after power was cut off, the fires kept happening. The military and scientists were brought in. Theories range from secret weapons testing to magnetic anomalies. Then, just as suddenly, it stopped. To this day, no one can explain it. 3. Wild or rare, the bioluminescent tsunami. In 2008, the coast of Maldives witnessed something magical. Giant ocean waves glowing bright blue in the dark. Tourists thought it was fake, but this was real bioluminescence caused by dinoflagellates, tiny marine organisms that glow when disturbed. The strange part? That intense glow was never seen again at that scale, and scientists still debate what caused the sudden bloom. Nature gave us a light show and took it back. 4. Ice circles of North Dakota. In 2013, locals found a perfectly round spinning ice disk in the middle of a frozen river in North Dakota. It was massive, over 50 feet wide, and slowly rotated like a lazy whirlpool. Scientists say it's caused by rare current patterns under precise temperature conditions. But here's the twist. It hasn't happened in the same spot again despite similar winters. A one-time marvel frozen in history. 5. The sky trumpets. From Canada to Ukraine to the US, people have reported hearing terrifying trumpet-like sounds coming from the sky, like a soundtrack to the apocalypse. These eerie metallic roars have no known source and often come out of nowhere, lasting for minutes. NASA suggested it might be Earth noises, but no solid proof exists. Then the sounds just stopped. A worldwide sound with no origin, and a silence no one can explain. 6. The exploding lake, Lake Nyos, Cameroon. In 1986, something terrifying happened at Lake Nyos. Without warning, a massive cloud of carbon dioxide erupted from the lake and silently killed over 1,700 people and thousands of animals nearby. The lake had been storing CO2 deep underwater until the pressure suddenly released. Locals called it a curse from the gods, but scientists now call it a limnic eruption. It only happened once and never again. Why? No one's sure. 7. The mystery of the green sky. On rare occasions, the sky turns a glowing, almost supernatural green, usually right before a massive tornado hits. It's not fully understood why this happens, but some say it's due to the way storm clouds filter sunlight. Others think it's a warning sign from nature. What's even stranger, some green skies appear without any storms at all. It comes, it glows, then it's gone. At the sliding stones of Death Valley, huge rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, have been found with long trails behind them in the dry lake bed of Death Valley, California. The weird part? No one ever sees them move. For decades, people thought it was paranormal. Finally, scientists discovered that thin layers of ice and wind might push them, but no one has recorded it naturally happening. The mystery appeared, was solved, and then never happened again. Line, the black sun of Denmark. Each spring and autumn, Denmark's skies darken as hundreds of thousands of starlings fly in giant swirling patterns, blocking out the sun. This phenomenon is called sword sol, or black sun. It's beautiful, haunting, and unpredictable. Sometimes it appears for weeks, other times not at all. Nature's most eerie dance that vanishes without a trace. 10. The time slip of Bow Street. In Liverpool, England, multiple people have reported suddenly slipping into the past while walking down Bow Street, seeing 1950s cars, old storefronts, and people in vintage clothes. Then, just as suddenly, they're back in the present. These stories aren't isolated. Over 50 reports exist. Is it mass delusion or a glitch in time itself? Some of these events shock scientists. Others still have no explanation. But one thing is certain, they all appeared out of nowhere and disappeared just as mysteriously. Which one gave you chills? Let us know in the comments. And if you love strange mysteries like these, subscribe to Fact Frenzy.